Hi, I'm Dan Hull, some of the mechanical designers here at Excel Fluid Group. I want to highlight some of the benefits of using three-dimensional modeling. In our case, we use SOLIDWORKS 2022 currently. This is a model that we created for an NV2 fiberglass basin, showing different configurations of it open and closed. This is a polymer flat top. You can show the total footprint of that and also give you a peek inside what's going on. And most importantly, we can look down from the top and check our clearance for the pumps, clear opening. This is another example of checking the clearance. This is a job that was several jobs that are similar to this. Long Island Railroad, New York. And this is a concrete basin with an integrated valve vault, primarily to save space because real estate is at a premium in New York. If you've bought real estate there recently, you'd know that. And this documentation was provided also on the drawings. And there's a peek inside where the valve vault is, various ladders, and all the internals. And thirdly, this is a redesign based on a concrete NV2. We have a trash basket located. Originally, this is the original design, but when there was an issue where the invert location was changed when the concrete was installed, which necessitated relocating and finding a trash basket that would fit. Once they changed the invert to the side, to the left there, and not 180 degrees from the discharge, the existing trash basket would no longer be retrievable. So we found a trash basket that would fit based on the clearance. So it was just a matter of redesigning and thinking on our feet a little bit. Thank you for your time.